Big XRP price drop, what went down, and what's next today. XRP's price took a major hit. And here's the scoop on what caused it and what's likely coming next. It all started when Whale Alert reported that a massive amount of XRP was unlocked, which set off alarm bells for investors. Right away, some big players, aka whales, started dumping over 130 million XRP tokens, which only made the price drop even harder. In fact, 36 Crypto had already warned us about this kind of crash, saying there were some concerning signs in the market. Ripple's token release strategy, Ripple, has this monthly token release plan that really affects how the market reacts. Every month, they unlock a ton of tokens, but they don't sell all of them right away. In fact, they usually only sell about 20 to 25% of the unlocked tokens, and the rest go back into escrow to keep things under control. This is supposed to stop the price from swinging too wildly, but this latest release was different. There was so much selling pressure that it caused a sharp drop. Whale sell-offs and bearish signals. The data shows that after these whales started selling, XRP's price really started to dip. According to Santamin's whale tracking charts, the price fell after breaking out of a symmetrical triangle pattern, which is usually a sign that prices could keep dropping. So a lot of investors are worried that without a big rebound, the price could keep falling. Ripple's bigger plan, not just stable coins, but it's not all doom and gloom for XRP. Ripple has some big plans ahead. Austin King, the co-founder of Omni, shared some insight into what Ripple is really trying to do here. Ripple isn't just about stable coins like RLUSD. They're aiming to turn XRPL into the backbone of the tokenized financial world. Ripple's bigger picture for XRPL. King explained that RLUSD is just the beginning. The goal is to expand XRPL into something much bigger, and it's already making waves. RLUSD has already handled over $300 million in transactions, and financial teams are jumping on board, and they're not stopping there. Ripple is eyeing tokenized versions of big financial assets. For example, Ondo Finance is planning to launch tokenized treasury bills on XRPL. This could be a game changer, blending traditional finance with blockchain tech. From stablecoins to a multi-trillion-dollar market, King also laid out Ripple's long-term strategy, which could make XRPL a key player in the world of institutional finance. Here's the plan: building the base. RLUSD is proving that XRPL can handle tokenized assets, expanding with low-risk assets. Next up, Ripple is targeting traditional financial products like T-bills, which are worth trillions. So while the price of XRP may have taken a hit today, Ripple's big picture plan could change the game in the future. Expanding to high-value markets, the next phase involves tokenizing debt and equities, unlocking tens of trillions of dollars in on-chain value, integrating advanced financial products. Eventually, Ripple aims to integrate derivatives and other complex financial instruments into XRPL, a move that could add trillions to the ecosystem. This progressive strategy aims to integrate real-world assets into blockchain-based systems, positioning XRPL as a fundamental layer in the future of finance. XRP whales do not care about 40% drop. XRP blockchain shows. Investor confidence was shaken by XRP's sharp 40% drop, but on-chain data indicates that big holders are unconcerned. The fact that XRP's payment volume, number of active accounts, and burned fees are all comparatively stable, despite the steep sell-off, suggests that whales might not be in haste to sell. XRP fell to $2 after hitting a local high of about $3.40. It broke below important moving averages such as the 50 EMA at $2.61 and the 100 EMA at $2.61, $2.15. The asset's ability to sustain its bullish structure is called into question by this sharp decline. The $2 level is serving as an essential psychological support at the moment. If it breaks, XRP may fall to the 200 EMA, which is located at $1.60. XRP price troubles. What's going on and what's next? XRP has been going through some serious price struggles lately. If it falls below a key level, we could see it drop even further, maybe all the way to $1.20, a zone that's been important in the past. To get things back on track, XRP needs to break above $2.61. But until it crosses $3 again, the trend is still bearish. That said, if it can bounce back from the 100 EMA at $2.15, we might see a bit of a relief rally. But here's something interesting. Despite the crash in price, XRP's payment volume has stayed steady. When we look at on-chain data, we can see that the network is still being used and big transactions are still happening. Plus, the number of active accounts hasn't dropped much, which is a good sign that XRP holders aren't panicking and selling off. Normally, big drops lead to fewer active addresses, but that's not happening here. Even the amount of XRP being burned as fees is staying normal, which is another good sign. If the price can hold the $2 support level, then we might be okay. But if it doesn't, the next levels to watch are $1.60 and $1.20. However, if buyers start coming in and push the price back up to $2.61, then XRP could start fighting this downward trend. Why Trump is being blamed for XRP's 33% drop XRP isn't alone in this. The entire crypto market is feeling the heat, and XRP has dropped by over 33% in just 24 hours, falling from $2.92 to $1.95. That's the lowest it's been since December 2024, and it's even lower than it was just 2 days ago when it was around $3.13. Bitcoin's not doing much better either. It dipped to $91,000 after being at $100,000 just days ago. Other altcoins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are even worse off, losing nearly 40%. So why is this happening? Well, a lot of people are pointing the finger at President Donald Trump. On February 1st, 2025, Trump announced big tariffs on imports from Mexico, Canada, and China. He slapped a 25% tariff on goods from Mexico and Canada and a 10% tariff on Chinese imports. These moves are part of his strategy to fight things like illegal immigration and drug trafficking. But the response from Mexico, Canada, and China has been to announce their own tariffs and even take legal action against the U.S. This has raised fears of a global trade war, which is making the markets a lot more volatile. In turn, that's hurting crypto with Bitcoin and XRP both crashing. Can XRP bounce back? Even though XRP has been taking a beating, some investors see it as a chance to buy in at a lower price before the next rally. The buy the dip mentality is strong, and many are predicting that XRP could hit the $4 range in the next bullish wave. Right now, XRP has bounced back to $2.34, a 20% recovery from its $1.95 low, but it's still about 19% down from its highs just 24 hours ago. $105 million boom makes XRP second best altcoin. Here's the thing about crypto. It is never boring. Last week, digital asset investment products pulled in 527 million inflows, but it was not all that smooth. Investor sentiment was all over the place thanks to the usual market nervousness and, of course, all the buzz around DeepSeek. Bitcoin, as always, was the star with $486 million inflows, while short Bitcoin products added another $3.7 million for the second week running, according to CoinShares. But let's talk about XRP. It has been pretty quiet for a while, but not anymore. It has had 105 million in inflows so far this year, with 15 million of that coming in just the last week. That makes it the second best performing altcoin out there, right behind Ethereum. Meanwhile, XRP has been quietly building momentum. A lot of that is down to Ripple, which has been making some big moves in cross-border payments. It is not just a crypto thing anymore. Ripple has its fingers in the broader financial market, backed by a solid network of institutional partners. And let's not forget the Made in America label, which might just give XRP an edge as regulations and tax rules keep changing. Ripple transfers 700 million XRP amid whales dump. Ripple transferred 700 million XRP tokens into escrow on February 2nd, 2025, according to a post made by blockchain transaction tracker Whale Alert on X. Ripple Labs transaction occurs during a period of significant price declines in the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The action was likely taken to pause XRP's bearish condition due to pessimistic market sentiment. There are advantages to putting XRP in escrow. In a bear market, it seems that the price gains momentum and experiences some respite whenever Ripple Labs locks tokens in escrow. On the other hand, token prices typically decrease when Ripple unlocks them from escrow. According to market data, XRP whales rapidly sold off more than 130 million tokens. XRP dropped more than 25%, reversing some of the gains posted in January. Majors altcoins have dropped 40 to 50% in the last month, making this one of the steepest declines in recent memory. The Ripple-based token outperformed the broader cryptocurrency market with an amazing 50% rally during January. However, technical chart patterns still show a potential longer-term breakout above $4. Investors will watch for any indications of stabilization as XRP moves through this unstable stage. Why XRP price is down today? Expert analysis and predictions: XRP price plummeted over 24% in 24 hours due to a large XRP unlock and market concerns increased by Trump's tariff war news. XRP historically underperforms in February, and analysts predict further drops, potentially to $1.90. Experts are divided. Some foresee a recovery based on support levels and future catalysts, ETF, case closure, IPO, while others warn of further declines. The crypto market took a hit as Trump's tariff war and Ripple's massive 400 million XRP unlock, worth about $1.136 billion, sent XRP's price tumbling. In just 24 hours, XRP dropped by 24.6%, extending its overall decline to over 15% amid the broader market crash. A top analyst now warns that XRP could fall further to $1.90. XRP's February slump. Will history repeat itself? XRP's sharp drop raises concerns about its typical February performance. According to CryptoRank data, XRP has averaged a negative 3.00% return in February, finishing in the green only 4 times since 2014. Its best performance came in 2022 with a 26.3% gain, but overall, February has been a tough month for the token. This trend suggests more volatility ahead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. I'll see you in the next one.